Okay, so the CMF Phone 1 have been getting so many updates since this device have been launched. The last update of this device was nothing OS 2.6 and which was optimized pretty well for this device. But now there's another update. So let's talk everything about this new update for CMF Phone 1. So here you can see the version still remains same, which is nothing OS 2.6. The build number is 2046. It has the 1st August 2024 security patch and the update size was also not that huge. You can see the update size was around 84 MB, but it do bring some new features, camera updates and general improvements. If you guys haven't received the notification of OT update, just go to system update section and check for the update. Most of the time we don't get to see notification on nothing phones. First let's talk about the benchmark results and we'll compare it with the previous one. So here are the benchmark scores which we performed on this latest build after the update, and towards the left hand side we have the benchmarks from the previous update. So with the multi-core, slight lower scores can be seen using the Geekbenchmark application. With the wildlife extreme stress test also you can see the scores are 98.5%, previously it was 99.5%. Talking about CPU throttling test, so here we did notice little bit of throttling issues. On this latest build maximum CPU throttled 88%, on the previous build it was 92%. And the average gives were also slightly on the higher side compared to the newer build. It's not a major difference, but yes, slight lower scores are to be seen on this latest build. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Okay, now let's talk about all the changes and the new features what they have added. So here if you see under the changelogs, we have a section of new features which says introduce the community widgets for all nothing community updates. Though this thing was also possible to add on the previous build, so it's nothing related to the update itself. I don't know why nothing have added. If you update nothing widgets, you would have got the widget before even updating the operating system. After that, they have added an option to show pedometer and battery widget on the lock screen. So this is newly implemented. So if you go to settings, lock screen, tapping on lock screen widgets, now you have some add-ons here. I'm not sure about this date widget, whether it was previously available or not, but you can see now we have options to add the battery widget. Along with that, you can add things like community headlines on the lock screen and the pedometer. This is how the pedometer will look if you add it on the lock screen. The same thing goes with the community widget. For the battery, we have two widgets. One is the larger one and the second one is smaller one. And if you apply the widget, this is how it looks. It also shows the CMF Phone 1 image along with the battery lift. Small touch up but a nice one. So these are the two new things what they have added. Soon I installed this update and when I connected my device to USB, I noticed this pop-up which says charging assistant. I'm not sure whether it was already there, but this is the first time I've noticed this charging assistant feature on CMF Phone 1. If you guys haven't updated, do let me know. Just connect your device with the normal USB cable to the PC and you might see the pop-up in the notification panel. Because I had connected the device using a USB cable to my PC and it gave me a pop-up. Your phone is not charging at the maximum speed. Tap to learn how to speed it up. So once let me know in the comment section. After that you can see some camera improvements have also been done, and here are the photos which we clicked after this latest update. After this latest update, CMF Phone delivers noticeable camera enhancement. Elevated overall camera performance is evident with the sharp and clearer images that captures vibrant, true to life colors. The refined color accuracy stands out, particularly in the outdoor shots where the colors pops out without appearing oversaturated. This update also introduced significant improvements to the HDR functionality. Photos taken in challenging light conditions shows enhanced details with well-balanced exposure in shadows and highlights, demonstrating the enhanced photo quality in the dark areas as promised. Selfies, especially in backlit situations, exhibit the boosted front camera capability with your face well lit even when the background is bright. The camera focus is apparent in close-up shot, where the subject remains consistent in focus with a smooth background blur. But the portrait mode is still an hit or miss in some photos. Device do struggle to differentiate between foreground and background. Overall, the update significantly improved the camera performance, so I would say good job done by nothing. After that, we have some general improvements in which they have stabilized the atmospheric wallpaper effect when returning to the home screen. So yes, this was an issue, and previously whenever I used to use this effect, there was a slight stutter or you can say lag, but now after this latest build, it's pretty smooth, which you can see here on the screen. It's not only with the wallpaper effect, the overall performance of the device have also been improved. I haven't seen much of jitters or lags while scrolling around, which used to happen previously. In the Google Photos also, switching to different photos is now more smoother without any kind of lags. But this slight lag which I have seen, like for example, if I go to the screenshot section, if I tap on this screenshot, after that if I push it up and then close the details, you will see this dark shade flickers. So this is the only bug what I have noticed. After that, they have introduced vibration alert when answering calls in power saving mode. So I wasn't able to find a dedicated setting for it, but this means even if your device is in power saving mode, the vibration alert will work when you answer the call. And after that, they have resolved the lag while taking screenshot in certain applications. Though that I have never observed even on the previous build. The screenshot feature works perfectly fine on my CMF Phone 1. So guys, these were all the changes and new features what nothing have done for CMF Phone 1. I'll be soon dropping an in-depth review of this device. Before that, I'll create a community post where you guys can ask anything about this device. Generally, in in-depth reviews, we do answer your questions also. So as of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.